Welcome to Floral Design for Beginners. I'm Sandy McVeigh, and I'm so happy you've chosen to check out this Udemy option today. This informative course pulls together the pertinent content a floral designer needs. Interactivity makes for deeper learning experience. Quizzes help you gauge personal understanding of key points, and checkpoint challenges utilizing the discussion forum support our community learning. And I'm here for you every step of the way if you want to ask questions through our course email. On this learning journey, I'll share with you the tools professional floral designers choose, including our suggestions where savvy shoppers can purchase them and tips of how to care for your investments. You'll learn about the 4 basic floral elements that make up every arrangement: line, focal, mass, and filler items, and the importance of each in the overall design. Exploring the color wheel, you'll gain an understanding of the monochromatic and complementary palettes and how they work to affect your arrangements. A number of inspirational ideas that combine fresh and artificial elements to create the most memorable gifts ever are showcased, including some of these samples that my clients have just raved about. By the time you finish this course, you'll be ready to start celebrating. Practice your new skills for friends and family. And when you're ready to grow your floral design business, my targeted tips will get you focused and on track to success. Thanks for watching this trailer, and I hope to meet you in class.